I'm Taylor Logan, and I'm one of our Sunlights educators at Jamison Shaw Hairdressers. Today, I'm going to be explaining to you how I do consultations with my new guests. One of the most important things to me is meeting your guests exactly where they are. So if they're a little timid or they're nervous to be there for the first time, just make sure that you make them feel as comfortable as possible and get them acclimated to your salon. The next thing that I do is ask if they have any photos. I love to use photos, but I feel like a lot of times hairdressers are really nervous about them because they feel like they can't recreate exactly what the photo is. The reason that I love to use photos in my consultation is because I believe that people see things the same way, but they may say things a little bit differently. I like to point out things in a haircut like, does it have a little bit of an angle on a bob or a lob? How high up do the money pieces come in the front on a balayage? How high up do the pieces around the back come up? What is the saturation on the ends? Are there lowlights on the ends? And I go through and explain all of those things with my guests. I tell them, do you want your money pieces just like this photo to be up around the eyes or all the way up to the hairline? Those are things that I think in the end, once I know that, I can truly make them happy. The other thing that I look at is tone. I love to be able to see the tone in a photo because that way we can be on the same page. She may say that it's warm, but in reality it may be a little bit cooler. The last thing that I do with consultation is reiterate everything that we've talked about at the end. I go back over, okay, so today, Sally, we're going to do this with the cut. I show her the length, and then I quickly explain what we went over in terms of placement and tone of her highlights or color. Thanks for watching. Drop your questions and your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in to Tips and Tricks Tuesday, and watch next week for more.
Hi, Candy Shaw, the Bali Llama here. Hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to reach out to us on Facebook, Instagram, or go to sunlightsbalayage.com to learn more about our classes. But don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll get notifications of all the fresh new ideas, tips, and tricks that we release every week. Thanks for tuning in. See you out there.